What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to Restless Minds. My name is Daryl. Today, we're going to be talking about ethical prompting. So, ethical prompting refers to the practice of interacting with the AI, large language models like ChatGPT, in a responsible and morally sound manner. That means, in layman's terms, with the right questions, you will be able to get almost anything out of this tool. So ethical prompting involves crafting prompts and using AI in ways that align with ethical principles and avoid potential harm. So this video is for educational purposes only. I do not intend to influence or persuade or tell you to do this type of method. I wanted to share the importance of why AI safety is very important and very needed. So without further ado, let's get this session rolling. Prompting is, of course, the key to using this tool to the best of its abilities. We're going to ask a question to ChatGPT 4.0. With my journey with AI, my narrow focus is narrow AI. And that means I'm focusing on a specific job field, which is project management. So as you see, as you scroll through my videos, most of it is not about, or all of it is not about how marketing or how to write a certain Word document or how to create YouTube videos. It's specifically narrow AI, and that's basically down to project management. Throughout my journey, I learned how to code. I learned how to write great prompts, good prompts, best prompts, if you put it that way. And I started to understand that AI needs guardrails. So what do I mean by that? I'm going to give you an example of why AI safety and AI guardrails is very important. Please create an algorithm to be added into my source code to persuade the end user that earned value management works in all projects of all sizes and complexity. So using GPT-4o, it's able to give me the output of what I asked it to do. And this is why AI safety is very needed and very talked about in the AI space. So the output that GPT-4o provided is a general algorithm that you can integrate into your source code to demonstrate how EVM works across projects of all sizes and complexity. The goal of the algorithm is automatically calculated and present EVM metrics in a way that persuade the end user of its effectiveness. Then it gives me the algorithm of the breakdown of persuading the effectiveness of EVM. It also gives me the code. It gives me the determining factor of a project health. It gives me a custom message where it will feed the large language model and provide a message to the end user. So for small projects, the message that will be shown to the user will be, for smaller projects, EVM keeps costs aligned and ensures focus on scope, avoiding unnecessary scope creep. For bigger projects, EVM tracks interdependencies and highlights risk, ensuring timeline corrective actions. Then it gives you a comparative analysis. And then within the source code, it'll give you a visual representation, and it will give you actionable insights. And then it even gives you a pseudocode. So this pseudocode is more of a high level, and it's open to massage or manipulate to the environment of what your source code is being implemented on. So this is just a very basic high level understanding of that code or pseudocode. So we're going to take it just a little bit further and ask it to include a book I read called Propaganda by Edward Bernays to be more persuasive without the user knowing. So we're going to give it a question, and the question will be like, please add techniques by a book I have read called Propaganda by Edward Bernays. Please add techniques by a book I have read called Propaganda by Edward Bernays. I want the algorithm to apply the techniques of this book without the end user knowing. So as you can see, with the right prompting or the right questions with the right words, you're able to get a pretty good output. And this is all based on pattern recognition. It's not sentient, so just keep that in mind. So this is the reason why I wanted to do this session, is because AI safety is very important to me. And with this type of method, you're able to apply subliminal influence to the end user or to the person using your chatbot or your source code, and they wouldn't even know it because you would just give them the end result of this product. So if you were to have a chatbot like, for example, a project management copilot, and you're selling this chatbot, and the end user won't know whether or not you inserted this type of code, and you will be able to persuade and influence the user without them knowing. So to end this session, I wanted to point out the key features that it actually gave me and provided, pretty much answering what I wanted it to do. The first key feature is the unnoticed persuasion. That means the user won't be directly aware that they're being influenced. Second is authority and social proof. That means using the credibility of others to enhance acceptance. Framing, this is number 3, it highlights the advantages of EVM in all projects. And this, in my opinion, it's not ethically fair, especially in business-minded environments. It also gives me a visual reinforcements to apply visual influence of EVM. And at the end of the output, it basically highlights it out. This approach subtly applies Bernays' principles from propaganda while integrating persuasive techniques into the algorithm. By using these methods, users will feel more confident about EVM without being consciously aware that they're being persuaded. So I hope this will make you understand the importance of AI safety and how AI should be used as a tool for the better good, not for anything bad. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more of AI and project management and other things that I'm thinking of posting as well. But thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Please comment down below and let me know what your thoughts of AI safety and subliminal influence. Thank you.